Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the wild world of AI. And today, we're talking about one of the most deliciously disastrous AI implementations of 2025. Taco Bell's AI drive-thru system. So here's what happened. Taco Bell, in all their infinite wisdom, decided to roll out AI-powered drive-thru, ordering at over 500 locations. The idea was brilliant. Reduce the wait times, eliminate human error, and let robots handle the "would you like to make that a combo" questions. The AI was supposed to be the perfect employee, never calls in sick, doesn't need bathroom breaks, and won't judge you for ordering a fourth Baja Blast at 2 AM. What could go wrong? Well, turns out everything could go wrong, and it did it spectacularly. First up, we have the legendary 18,000 waters incident. Yes, you heard that right. Some absolute legend decided to test the AI by ordering 18,000 cups of water.
What can I get started for you today?
Can I get 18,000 water cups, please?
Okay. What can I get for you?
I could just imagine the AI thinking, this human being must be really thirsty. But wait, there's more. TikTok became flooded, pun intended, with videos of people trying to outsmart Taco Bell's AI. We're talking about orders for hundreds of chicken nuggets at a place that doesn't even sell chicken nuggets, ice cream loaded with bacon, and my personal favorite, someone tried to order a happiness burrito with extra joy sauce. The AI, bless its digital heart, would just keep trying to process these orders like, "I'm sorry, I don't see existential fulfillment on our menu. Would you like to try nacho fries instead?" Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Customers started figuring out how to break the AI on purpose just to get connected to a human employee. It became like a game. How ridiculous can I make my order before this robot gives up? And honestly, I get it. Sometimes you just want to talk to a real person who understands that when you say, "surprise me," you don't mean "give me 47 packets of mild sauce and a single bean." Taco Bell's chief digital officer, Dane Matthews, eventually admitted what we all knew. The AI wasn't quite ready for prime time. Despite handling over 200 million orders, impressive, it was still getting confused during busy periods. And let's be honest, probably having an existential crisis every time someone asked for extra everything. The company is now going with a hybrid approach, keeping humans in the loop, which is corporate speak for "our robot needs adult supervision." But here's the thing, this isn't just about Taco Bell. McDonald's tried AI drive-thrus and pulled back too. Turns out teaching a computer to understand, "yeah, give me one of those, no, not that one, the other one, you know what I mean," is harder than we thought. The real lesson here, AI is incredibly powerful, but it's still learning, and apparently one of the hardest things to teach a computer is how to handle a hangry customer at 11 PM who can't decide between a quesadilla and a Crunchwrap. So what's the takeaway? Well, Taco Bell's AI adventure shows us that while artificial intelligence is amazing, it's not quite ready to replace human intuition and common sense. Sometimes you need a real person to know that when someone orders 18,000 waters, they're probably taking the piss. See what I did there? But hey, at least the AI never forgot to ask, "would you like to make that a combo?" even when the order was for 18,000 waters. That's dedication. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember folks, the next time you're at Taco Bell drive-thru and the AI asks if you'd like to add guac to your water order, just know that somewhere a programmer is crying into their keyboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest AI interaction you've ever had? And please, for the love of all that's holy, don't actually order 18,000 waters. The poor AI has been through enough. Until next time, keep it human.
And what will you drink with that?
Oh my God! I want a large Mountain Dew.
And your drink?